What's Jablin, Jables? Sam, I feel stupid.
Because that was stupid. What's up, guys? This is what we're gonna work on today. Let's see. Got the new LED headlight kit that we're gonna put on the FZ-07 and swap out the stock light. This one actually isn't even meant for bikes. Well, it's the right size, but it actually comes with two. I think it's meant for cars, but people have said this one works, and so we're gonna try it out. And before we put it on, we're gonna do a little bit of a stock versus new comparison. Show you guys the difference and see if it's a big difference, and then we'll get to install. So yeah. All right. All right. All right. So we're changing this bad boy out today, which is not even on because I turned it back on. These are LED, so right now it's this main headlight's that color, and we want it to kind of match this color. And so that's why we're going to swap it out. Let's see what it looks like. There you go. It's yellow. It's white. All right. So here are some specs. If you guys can read that. This is, so it's a LED, it's 6500K, so it should be like a white or maybe a tint of blue, but I wanted it to be white. And it's supposed to last for, what is that, 30,000 hours of ride time, which is extremely long. So Beam Tech, put it on Amazon, I think, so I can put a link in the description if you're interested. Should be a fairly easy job. I think it's only 4 Allen wrench bolts. So let's see what we got. It should be pretty quick. And then once you get the housing off, there should be a little rubber boot you take off and then replace the bulb. And that's pretty much it. So, using it like that, right? Okay, so we didn't even have to take these ones out then. Alright, so I take it back. These ones in the front you don't have to take off. That's just for the turn signal stocks. So those can actually stay on, which is cool. This boot needs to come off. And then this is the housing for the bulb. Okay, so here's the boot, and then here's the connector. The H4, I think, is this size. So then here's the back, and then we need to undo this little tensioner. Let's see, how do you do that? So it looks like you push down and then pull out. There we go. So that's what keeps this kind of like in, and then you pull the housing out. Bam. So there's the stock bulb on Beam Tech. Up here it's checked. It's H4, so it's that size. Okay, let's get this open and take a look. I didn't look at it yet. Instruction manual. I don't think it's anything special. So that's what it looks like. So like I said, it's meant for cars, I think, but it's all the same as long as it fits. So it comes with two. I guess it's a replacement. Maybe I can use it later if it ever dies or something. And these ones have the cooling fans, so they don't have like a spinning fan that turns on. They're just like cooling fins, I guess, not fan, cooling fins. So it keeps them from getting too hot. So there's that. Now let's just compare the size real fast. We may have to do some modification to the boot. I'm not sure yet. We'll see, but there's both sides of that. See, there's a little notch. So it looks like there's a little flat notch right here on the bulb, and then there's a flat notch right there in the housing. So it probably matches up like that.
So you're upside down.
No. Oh, yeah, you're upside down. Yeah, that fits in there pretty well, actually. Let's see if I can get this connector down around it, though. Alright, this might be a problem. Let's see. There we go. There. Okay, I think we got it. Had to really finagle with it. Let's see. Yep, that's in there. I don't know if the boot is going to be able to go on it or anything like that. I mean, I guess if we push this thing through, yeah.
Here, we'll just
I mean,
walk
we
it back.
could leave it like that. Alright. The fins are kind of tucked under the boot though, so I might actually no, it doesn't even stay. So no, let's just not use it. Okay, so we're not going to use the boot for now. Let's see if it causes a problem with this being exposed. I don't really ride in the rain, so hopefully it's not a big deal. And then obviously the connector goes back in, so then it goes like that. This should be a perfect fit. Yep. Clips right in. There we go. And then I think it's just a matter of buttoning it back up and then making sure it works. Okay. Back on nice and tight, and let's turn it on and see if it's... So that's the parking light or the running light, or I guess it's a parking light, so that has stayed the same color. If you wanted that a different color, it's a little bulb, but that one I don't care so much about. So I'm going to turn it on, and let's see if it's... Cool. So, pretty easy, right? The Beam Tech is pretty good value, especially because it's supposed to be a car one, and so it's competing with car headlights. So it's much cheaper than like a dedicated motorcycle one. So I know like Cyclops is a very popular one for FZs, but it's like 80, I think off the top of my head, like $80 to $100 depending on the model you get, and then you get one. Probably the quality control is really good, but these ones seem pretty solid actually, despite them not being dedicated for the bike. So other than not being able to really reuse the boot, these are good value, because I think I paid maybe like $30. Yeah, about $30 for these. So
With the backup.
What?
With the backup.
With the backup, yeah, exactly. You got a spare. So yeah, cool. Until the next video. Check out all these sick groceries. Yes.
You're not seriously.
Vegetables, because we're healthy. Right, Taylor?
You're not using this.